Alright, good morning people. We're ready. We're ready. Outfit check. Today I used this lipstick that my sister bought me from Morocco. I should show you guys. One sec. I'm not sure I applied it properly because it's a bit weird. But this is it, guys. So you just put a little water or rose water in it and it gives you this. How does it look? I actually was going for nude, but I just saw it in my makeup bag and I'm like, you know what? Why don't I try this thing? Did it come out well? Let me know. Styled my hair this way today. I was going for a bun. Should I put my hair forward or I'll figure it out? But let me show you my outfit. Fit check. So this is what we're looking like today. What do you think? I'm going for easy. But still chic. I tucked in here and maybe I'll just fly because the thing about white pants is that it just gives you an illusion. I don't know. So see the pocket over here, it makes me feel like the other parts I'm naked here. So I just like to always wear something that covers my bum so that I don't look weird. And then yeah, but anyways, this is what we're looking like today. How do you guys like my outfit? Rate me, rate it over 10, 11, right? Awesome. So I'm going for breakfast now. I'm going to be eating something light just to keep me full for the day, and I'm also going to scribble a couple of things, so my thought process, what I want to do today and the key things that I want to make sure I execute during this conference. I'm carrying this purse, my all-time favorite, gifted to me by my sister. I'm taking this purse with me. I'll probably take along my laptop bag. I don't know yet, but I think I would need my laptop because I'm going to be typing, doing some work during the event. But I like my outfit. I think I look nice and simple and classy. What do you guys think? Oh yeah, I forgot that I haven't told you. Oh, I prefer the lighting here. Oh, look at that. So I forgot that I hadn't told you guys about my work. So if you don't know, I'm a marketing and communications specialist. So I'm here representing my organization at this summit. So it's the Lagos Health Summit, basically a convergence of health leaders to discuss and improve healthcare within Nigeria. And I'm here with some of our executives, and I'm going to be taking notes. I'm going to be covering the event. I'm going to also be at our booth to take questions and talk to people about the great work that we do in healthcare in Nigeria. So pretty much that is it. If you're a fellow comms girl, marketing girl as well in on this channel, let me know. Put it in the comment section. I'd love to meet you. We can also connect on LinkedIn, whichever one. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't know why I didn't come and do my intro here because this lighting is giving everything you should give. Just got a message now from my colleague that she's not ready for breakfast. I think I'll just go over there, sit there and wait for her until she's ready. In the meantime, I'll take some pictures. Look great. Thank you. You look pretty. And the sun is coming in this way. So. Ooh. Meet Dr. Ifena. We haven't met her. The fabulous doctor. Check her out. Turn. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
done a remarkable work in preparing solutions, healthcare solutions. And before we go on to the next,
Daniela, how are you doing? Hey.
At the end, you will be able to say, yes, we do have a smart health tech ecosystem.
I was 3 weeks. Karim, have you been in my channel before? No. It's your first time. Yeah. Hi, good evening. How many months? I said 10 weeks. I'm making money on TikTok. That's right. This is it.
Is that the English?
Yeah. It's for us, right?
Hi, Jesus Blood. This is Bisola, aka Stone Spice Pepper. She's spoiling me to ice cream. Can you guys see? Ice cream. We all scream for ice cream.
We used to be very young.
Do that. Our age now. Like, I have to go up. I can't say this.
You can't say that now. Hi guys, good morning. Quick outfit check. Today I'm heading out super fast, so I don't want to be late. I laid my hair backwards today. Different earrings, this jacket, and some wide leg pants. Did I kill it? I can't wait. I'm excited about today. Today is the Africa Digital Health Summit and Summit. And yeah, I'm going representing HA Clinics. So I'm going to head out now for breakfast. How have you guys been yesterday? I don't know if I ended the vlog. Like I just know that my day just went like after eating and all of that. I was super tired and I just took a nap. So this morning I'm heading over to breakfast. Then I'm going to tidy up my article and publish it. Basically the recap of yesterday. So if you want to read about that, I'll link it below, or follow me on LinkedIn, probably find it there. Yeah, so let's go. Backpack check. What else? Final perfume touches. Take my card. Ooh. And we're ready. So noisy. Let's go find. So I ate in a different restaurant this morning. Hence the view is different. I'm going to find my colleagues. Oh, I've seen her. Side. Hi Karim, good morning.
use case and a narrow use case and you have good data, you can really make those things.
Hi, introduce yourself to us. My name is Somtoklo Ikelodeke. I am a pharmacist and public health consultant at a boutique consulting firm called Salient Advisory.
girl is tired. I'm here on my stuff.
Hi guys, so day one is done, but my work is not done for today. I have to head back to my room and do the edits of all the things that I took today so that I can send that to my team to publish. But yeah, it was a great day. I'm tired, my hands feel heavy, but yeah, we said we are vlogging, so we're actually going to vlog.
Hi guys, so I'm back here, you know already. Super tired, like it's been a day. I think that I still have one more day to go, but we move. Anyway, I just wanted to check in with you guys and say a few things, right, about attending conferences. So it is a conference on digital health transformation, and of course I'm not like a doctor or a pharmacy, a medical professional anyway, you guys already know, but like as a communications professional, I just wanted to say that if you're in this category, maybe you're a marketing specialist or something, and you find yourself in a situation like this, don't feel like I am not, niched or in this industry. Immerse yourself, network. Like I got to meet a ton of people today who are doing amazing stuff, and for me, how that applied to my own specialty is the fact that I got to ask them ways in which they were promoting digital literacy, ways in which they were, publicizing the great work that they do, and how their own internal teams function. And I got to learn about new businesses, new organizations, right? So if you ever have to go for a conference for whatever reason, you feel like you're out of place, instead of sitting back and restricting yourself, immerse yourself in the process. You never know what you can learn, you never know who you can meet, and just have fun. So I'm just going to do that, do my own report, and then we have a team dinner again tonight. Yes, so I don't know if I'm going to vlog because I'm pretty tired, but if I don't vlog, just know that I ate and I was happy. All right, people, see you. Let me finish my work, sleep, and get ready for dinner.
Wait till be home service. Say it well, if not, you stay outside there. Eh? If you are coming to work, say I'm coming to work. Gusayo, say it well. Who is there? Who is there? Oh? Security. Security. I gave you one of our glad. My baby. Welcome. You really made yourself very at home. How? Arranged your wardrobe.
What did you guys say?
As in,
I was waiting for you to come join me, but you're not sleeping,
wow.
The chicken followed you to work?
As in, the chicken has been falling. The chicken has been falling down. The chicken has been falling down. My colleagues have just been picking it.
Oh my god!
You see your friend I see.
Look at you.
Yo.
Matching glasses. Come on, girl. No, not show your shoe.
No, don't show you.
But that's how you went to work, Abby.
Yeah. See,
What you be? So you just came alone.
I told you that Lagoshia. I didn't know that you had other plans. I want to take you out to eat. I didn't want you.
You will take me out to eat, and I'm going to. Oh God.
I want to take you. That's why I said, do you want African food? So I'll know where to take you. And since you want African food,
I want the African food, though.
Outside, let's go to Lagoshia.
Hey.
The food is quite decent.
What will I do now?
I don't know for you. Thank you. Good to see you.
Looking good and smelling nice.
Thank you.
You said taking me out this evening.
X back.
That's
X-Men are scared.
Our elder sister is here. How much am I in this video?
Look at you, you're wearing that. Going down.
She's wearing chicken dinner, yeah. Thank you.
So this from the jam.
Okay.
Thank you.
Come so. Hi. Happy to see me. That yes is not a happy yes. That yes is not a happy yes.
It is.
Are you happy to see me, my baby? Are you happy to see me?
Yes.
So what are we doing?
Because she has seen us.
You're drawing. Can I see what you're drawing? Ooh, this girl is so pretty.
I love them yet. Hi, Mom.
You want?
Another.
Okay, can you draw like a pet for her? So give her a leg, give her another leg, then draw a pet. I think she needs a pet.
You don't have white bread.
High five. I missed you guys. You follow me to Abuja. Yes. Your cousins will be very happy.
Where's your baby?
Makeup done. Hopefully it makes sense. Checking in with you guys. I'm sure you're wondering like, oh, somebody in my video. I'm sure you're wondering how come I haven't checked with you. It's because it's been a morning. I'm sorry, looking at me. Busy day. It's the final day of the departure. Our ride is here to take us to the airport, but I also have a couple of events in Abuja, so I did well to do my makeup here so that when I get to Abuja, my flight is for 12. When I get to Abuja, I don't feel too tired to leave the house, because if I have to then do my makeup again after a flight, then I have to shower and do everything again, I'm not leaving my house. So I'm doing that. I have 2 weddings and I get to see my babies. Yeah, so come with me to the airport, and then my friend is here with me today. So what's his deal? I already saw you yesterday anyways. So she's leaving me. I'll see you.
Who's calling you?
Besides, it's been 10 years post-graduation. How do you feel? This way. The lighting is good this way. It's been 10 years post-graduation. Do you feel like we're older? So I've known you for 13 years now.
Of course we're older.
You're now a mommy.
Yeah, we are both mommies. You're a
Yeah.
mommy
Of 2, and you're a mommy of 1.
Yeah.
Anyways, like, reality check. But yeah. Ochichi. That's the anthem for this week. Alright guys, bye. Let me see my makeup. Rate my makeup. Rate it. I haven't done my eyes. I haven't done my lips. I haven't done my lashes. But I've done my hair. I don't know what these edges are doing. You guys are doing edges. Teach me the way. Well, see you.
Yes,